banal, B is for beads, C is for cumswat, D is for
dumbass.
Oh, seriously, did you have to crash my erotic alphabet?
It's my show.
No, it's my show. Well, anyway, the humans tell me that we're supposed to do an intro. And
They're called our puppeteers.
Whatever they're called.
Yeah, they suck.
They're called our slave masters.
Yeah.
Because they're white. Well, anyway, what's the name of the show again? I forget.
It's called Puppet Access.
Yeah.
These are too many meds.
No, I want too many drugs. Get it right. I get mine illegally. I don't go to the doctor.
Yeah, she goes to Chinatown.
Same difference.
Yeah.
Chinese doctor, same thing. Chinese doctor. Well, anyway, you are watching
Puppet Access. And we're told that we're supposed to introduce ourselves because we're puppets and puppets
I'm
are...
Mae Wilson, and this is Manilow.
I'm Manilow. Hi, everybody.
Well, I already said that, Manilow. Well, anyway, let's introduce our guest. She is a dirty girl. She's just about as dirty as I am.
She's been banned by nuns who are Catholic.
Yeah, seriously.
I know. Catholics suck.
Yeah, Catholics suck, and so does the Christian right, and so does Sarah Palin.
But she has a really great, empowering message.
Yeah, but in that message is...
Don't rape her. Don't rape her.
But back to that, I think Sarah Palin sucks because she stole my hairstyle, and she obviously wears bumpets.
I know. She wants to be in the Jersey Shore.
Yeah,
anyway.
seriously. And Sarah Palin, you named your kid Trig. Trig after a subject that he will never take in school.
Yeah, he's like so special. He's not even special enough for special ed.
I know, seriously. Well, back to our guest. Jessica Delfino is a dirty girl.
She's a singer and a songwriter.
And she has a special message. Don't rape her.
Don't rape her.
But you can rape me instead because it's been a long
She also tells us she's a fame whore and that she really thinks I did a bad job as the cameraman. So Jessica Delfino, we want all of our viewers to go to your website, check out funny videos, and like stuff that's written about her and cool stuff.
Yeah, they get the message. So
yeah, we're puppets. We don't read.
Go to JessicaDelfino.com. Seriously.
Yeah, check out our website. It's awesome.
And it will change your life because I know that it changed mine. Because now I know that there's another dirty girl out there. And while we're on the subject, my Coke connection's here, so I better go.
We gotta say toodaloo. We gotta be polite.
All right, toodaloo, my Coke connection.
And thanks for watching Puppet Access. Bye.
Shove off, seriously, my Coke connection's here, and I can't.
So, Jessica, you have a special song with a message, right?
Yeah. And
What's the message?
The song is called Don't Rape Me, and the message is Don't Rape Me.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready, folks?
Yes.
All right. And what's that thing you played it with? It's called a rape whistle.
Hey, May, why don't we say something that'll give our viewers a message?
One, two, three.
Don't rape me.
Take it away, Jessica.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You look
Jessica. That was a fun
Thank you.
song.
Fun. It was so fun.
So Jessica, where can we see you perform next?
Yeah, we're actually.
You can see the episode program on April 22nd. When is the show coming out?
Soon on YouTube.
Yeah, before April 22nd.
Okay, then
Or
you
April
can
22nd.
see the show on April 22nd.
And where can we find out more about you?
JessicaDelfino.com.